Hi guys, usapang Sibang debit card tayo at may nag-comment sa ating comment section at comment ni Madam Jaja, "Hi ma'am, sana masagot. Pwede po ba magbayad gamit card like sa mga Petron?" The answer is yes na yes po. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yung Sibang debit card nyo pang bayad sa Petron or sa gasoline station pag nagpapagas po kayo ng sasakyan. And as per kay Sibang, when you use your Sibang debit card, there is a cashback promo na 1% po. Kaya lang, there's a mechanic. Enjoy 1% cashback cap at 1,000 pesos on your purchases. So, dapat nasa 1,000 po yung purchases nyo. And you can transact anywhere, pay anywhere, MasterCard is accepted. So, MasterCard po kasi yung ating Cbank debit card. And shop like a local overseas, no hidden foreign exchange fees when you spend in-store abroad with your physical card. So, maganda siyang gamitin kapag abroad. And keep track of your spending, view your real-time transaction history through Cbank app. So, madali nyo siyang ma-view kung okay siya, okay yung transaction dun mismo sa Cbank app. And keep your account safe. And award-winning feature like locking your debit card and in-app OTPs. So, magagawa nyo po yan sa loob mismo ng Cbank app. And para po maging aware din sa mga hindi qualified transaction po na makakuha ng cashback, meron po kasing transaction na hindi eligible. Ito po, as per dito po sa Cbank app, ang mga hindi po eligible na transaction like Wasay Cash, utilities, yan po yung mga, syempre, yung ating kuryente, tubig, hindi po pwede siyang gamitin. Or I mean, pwede mo siyang gamitin pero walang cashback. Okay? Transportation, hindi po siya pwede. Charities, hindi po siya pwede. Hindi po siya magkakaroon ng cashback. Government services, casino or gambling, fees and charges, online international transaction. Yan po yung online international transaction po, may charge pa po yan ng 2%. Alam po, pag foreign transaction fee will apply for purchases made only with overseas merchant, 2% po yun. This fee is not applicable for in-store purchases made abroad. Yan po yung mga online transaction. Like, for example po niyan is kay TikTok. Kapag ginamit niyo po yung Cbank debit card niyo, kasi si TikTok is parang ano siya ang kanyang payment method or ang gateway na kanyang payment is foreign. So, nag-charge po siya ng 2%. Kaya, it's not advisable to use Cbank debit card kapag bibili ka online kay TikTok. Okay? Pero kay Orange App and Blue App, I think pwede siya. Okay? And then, any unauthorized or fraudulent retail transaction or any other transaction determined by us, by the Cbank, okay, from time to time. So, yun po yung mga eligible, yun po yung mga hindi eligible, okay? Not eligible for cashback promo ni Cbank when you use your Cbank debit card, okay? Medyo napahabang video na to, pero just in case hindi pa po kayo nakapag-open or hindi pa po kayo nakapag-download ng Cbank debit card, download it today and use my referral code MARGE26, ayan lang po sa screen, and you will get 75 pesos kapag ginamit niyo po yung aking referral code, higher than the usual na referral code ni Cbank because we have a partnership and collaboration with Cbank, kaya mas mataas yung referral code natin kapag ginamit niyo yung MARGE26 when you open your Cbank today. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.